Hello Flutter developers, welcome back to another video of animation. In this video, I will show you how to create a beautiful padding animation in Flutter using animated padding widget. If you want your UI look smooth and professional, this widget is a perfect choice. Now we move to the code. First we import the Flutter material package. After that we create special widget class named animated padding screen. Declares a stateful widget because the UI will change during interactions. This is constructor create override. Create a mutable state for this widget. The double underscore padding value equal 20.0 variable that controls the padding of inner container. Change padding. This is function to toggle padding between 20 and 80 when fab is pressed. For example, fab stands for floating action button. SetState underscore padding value equal padding value equal 20, then this, otherwise 20. It means that if current padding is 20, set to 80, otherwise back to 20. UI build. We use scaffold widget, provides a basic visual layout for the screen, set a dark theme background. App bar, we use different properties of app bar such as title, center title, background, and elevation. Body, we use center widget in body. Here we use container. Outer container, its width is 280, height is 280, fixed height and width. Decoration box. Decoration adds styling to the container. Dark purple container background. Rounded corners of 25 pixels. Box shadow. Add soft shadow to create elevation effect. Box shadow. Here we use color. Slightly transparent black shadow. Blur radius 12. Spread blur effect. Spread radius to spread the shadow outward. Offset shadow goes downward by 6 pixels. Now we use animated padding. Animated padding changes smoothly. Duration we take 900 milliseconds. Animation lasts 900 milliseconds. Curves dot fast out slow in. Smooth natural animation curve padding. Here we use the padding value that we take above container in a container that will animate padding around it. Decoration box box decoration. Here we use gradient. Linear gradient adds gradient background color. Begins al- alignment dot top left and alignment dot bottom right ends at bottom right. Color, we use two colors in linear gradient, border radius, dot circular 18, rounded corners for inner box, center, centers text inside the inner container, animated padding, display text, style. Here we use different properties of text style like color, font size, font weight, and text align. Floating action button. Here we use floating action button to call the change padding function. Here background color is used, elevation, slight elevation for shadow effect on press. Call the function to change padding, child, icon on button, size, larger icon size, color, white color for icon. Now we move to the emulator to see the results. Here we use two containers for animated padding. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more animated widgets and advanced Flutter UI tutorials. Comment below which animation you want in the next video.